In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best colehaan discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for colehaan discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if I want to get this one at 15% off my next order, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is a discount code. I can copy the promo code right here and I can apply it on my next purchase so that I can get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here we have a list with another promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 10% off discount, all I have to do right here is select the option copy code. And this is the discount code. I can copy it from here and I can apply this promo code on my next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.